The LOEUO 93L Garment Duffle is designed with smooth rolling wheels and a telescoping handle, allowing for effortless navigation through crowded airports and train stations. With an impressive 93-liter capacity, this garment duffel provides ample space for wrinkle-free suits, dresses, and other essentials, while multiple interior pockets keep your accessories and personal items organized. The bag offers versatile carrying options, including the ability to roll it or use the padded top handle, making it adaptable to various travel scenarios. Constructed from high-quality waterproof fabric, this duffel bag combines elegance with durability, ensuring your belongings stay safe and dry in any weather. The stylish design of the LOEUO 93L Garment Duffle complements your wardrobe with classic colors and patterns, making it a professional choice for travelers. LOEUO emphasizes customer satisfaction, providing a dedicated service team to assist with any inquiries and enhance your travel experience.